Hey everyone, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. In today's video, we're going to cozy up to the idea of having a fireplace in the bedroom. Let's explore why this classic feature is more than just a luxury, it's a game changer for your sleep sanctuary. First off, let's talk atmosphere. A fireplace instantly adds warmth and ambiance to your bedroom, creating a cozy and inviting retreat. Imagine snuggling up in bed on a chilly evening with the soft glow of the flames dancing around in the background. It's the perfect setting for relaxation and, dare I even say, a little romance. But the benefits don't stop there. Having a fireplace in the bedroom can also help regulate temperature and improve comfort. No more chilly toes or drafty nights, just the soothing warmth of a crackling fire to keep you cozy all night long. Plus, it's a charming alternative to other traditional heating methods. Last but not least, let's talk about the aesthetics. Now, aesthetics is a word that I know a lot of people are so sick and tired of hearing about because it's such a trendy word now. But a fireplace really adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any bedroom decor. Whether you prefer a sleek modern design or a rustic traditional look, there's a fireplace style to suit your specific taste. It's a statement piece that instantly elevates the overall look and feel of a room. Having a fireplace in the bedroom isn't just a luxury, it's a practical and stylish addition that really enhances your comfort. So why not bring a little warmth and charm into your sleep sanctuary? I sincerely hope that you enjoyed today's video. And be sure to subscribe for more home inspiration. Keep watching and stay tuned to my favorites at the end. Also, I know that a built-in fireplace is not something that a lot of us have. So down below in the description box, I'm going to link some of the fireplaces that I have found on Amazon if you want to add the look without going through the whole home renovation process. Alright, I'll talk to you at the end of the video.
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. Let me know down below in the comment section which style do you really resonate with the most. Now, if you want to see more videos, check out one of these featured here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.
The spine.